Hi, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add private VPN on Android device to open blocked website. Device's home screen and open the settings menu. Once inside, scroll down and select connection and sharing settings. From there, you can either choose the VPN option or directly search for VPN settings using the search bar. Upon reaching the VPN settings, tap the plus sign located at the bottom of the screen to add a new VPN profile. A menu will appear, and you need to fill in the required details. In the name section, you can choose any name you prefer. For instance, let's name it Android Test. Next, select L2TP divided by IPSec PSK as the type. For the server address, go back to your browser and enter VPNgate in the search bar. Click on the first website that appears, which is vpngate.net. On the website, you'll find numerous server addresses. Look for one with the lowest ping, approximately 10 ms, and copy its address as demonstrated in the video. Return to the VPN settings and paste the copied address into the server address field. Leave the options labeled not used within brackets empty. In the IPSec Preshared Key field, type VPN in lowercase. For the username and password, enter VPN in lowercase as well. Once you've completed all the fields, click the checkmark located in the top right corner. Your Android Test VPN profile is now ready. Select the profile and toggle the switch to turn on the VPN. It will display a connecting message, so please be patient. Once the connection is established, you'll notice the VPN symbol appearing in the top signal bar as well as the control center. This indicates that you're now connected to the VPN. Now, go back to your browser and attempt to open the blocked website, such as Pirates Bay. By utilizing this straightforward technique, you can unblock any restricted website on your Android device. Say goodbye to concerns about third-party VPN apps, advertisements, and sluggish connections. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content.